I'm a local resident of about 7 years. My family live in the area.
I'm a local resident. I'm also in community groups, including Neighbourhood Watch.
I'm a resident and have been for the past 30 years, and about 15 years have been catching public transport from Essendon Station.
So I live on Raleigh Street, so just behind Essendon Station, and my property backs onto the existing rail line.
I'm a local resident. I'm also a member of the Essendon Baptist Community Church, which is in Buckley Street and will be affected.
So I use the Buckley Street crossing quite a lot, but when you go there, you can see what can be done if they do it properly.
I am concerned with the state government's solution. It's short-sighted.
That would potentially shut down, close down, remove and reduce businesses in the area.
My name's Catherine Egan. I own Beauty on Rose on the corner of Rose Street and Buckley Street in Essendon. I'm really concerned about the proposal that they've put forward. I think it's a short-term fix. I'd really like them to stop, do it once and do it right for the future.
There should have been more community consultation.
Because this is short-changing our Essendon community, and we're given a very, very raw deal.
The proposed solution doesn't factor in the wider community within Essendon, also factoring in public transport accessibility.
And it means that, in the future we won't have the opportunity for to come up with a better solution at the other stations that are adjacent.
From the community's perspective, as Mayor and Councillors, we are their representative and we have listened to them, and we have been advocating strongly for a rail under road solution. This is the best solution because it has less long-term impacts on the road network, on the traders and the local businesses. It is a much safer outcome. It provides better disability access, better cycling access and better pedestrian access. So we believe in the bigger picture and the long-term solution that the rail under road has a superior outcome.
I do support the Council's preferred decision simply because I think it gives us a long-term better solution for the area, for the commuters and for the traders and for the local traffic.
I catch the train from the station every single day, and every single day I think, why don't we have an option like this?
It's actually real planning. So you're looking at not just the crossing, but you're looking at revitalising the suburb, you're looking at creating a completely new community environment for the suburb of Essendon.
I think we need to use this as a point in time where we're planning for the next 100 years, for the generations ahead.
It's absolutely the 100% best solution.
Although Danny Pearson quite clearly at the forum said this is a done deal, and you saw the outrage from the community there, I think that that's probably going to get their back up even more to fight even harder and stronger to get a better resolution.
We've been told that it is a done deal by LXRA and our state government. What we need is people to turn up to our public rally on the 21st of May at 11 a.m. on the corner of Rose and Buckley Street and support the community in stopping this decision.